Hey food fanatics, if you've ever dreamt of ditching delivery and making real, incredible, restaurant quality pizza right in your own kitchen, today is your day. In the next 2 minutes, we're walking through every single step to build your perfect pie. No complicated steps, just pure pizza perfection. Let's get cooking. First, our superstars. For the dough, we need warm water, yeast, sugar, olive oil, flour, and salt. For the sauce, crushed tomatoes, garlic, oregano, and basil. And of course, mozzarella, pepperoni, and fresh basil for the top. Let's get that yeast going. Combine your warm water, sugar, and yeast. Give it a stir and let it foam for about 5 to 10 minutes. That foam is the key to a light, fluffy crust. Once foamy, add your oil, flour, and salt. Mix it until shaggy. Then turn it out and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until you have a smooth, elastic dough ball. Oil a bowl, cover your dough, and let it rise in a warm spot for about an hour until it has doubled in size. Time to let the flavor develop. While we wait, let's make the sauce. Mix your crushed tomatoes with minced garlic, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. It's that simple, no cooking required. Punch down the risen dough and transfer it to a floured surface. Roll it or stretch it with your hands into a 12 to 14-inch circle. The thinner you stretch, the crispier the crust. Time to build. Transfer your dough to a baking pan. Spread a thin layer of sauce. Then cover generously with mozzarella and your pepperoni. Don't forget an olive oil drizzle on the crust for color. Crank your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit or its highest setting. Slide your pizza in and bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling. And there it is. The aroma is intoxicating. Top it with some fresh basil for brightness. Slice it up and enjoy. This homemade pizza will change the way you do pizza night. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe for more fast recipes, and let me know your favorite toppings in the comments below. See you next time.